Guys, may tao nang harvest guys ng okra guys. Oh, harvest pa more. Oh, dami harvest niya guys. Oh, ayan guys. Oh, dami guys. Ayan guys. Oh, hinarvest ng mama guys. Oh, ayan guys. Oh, mama guys ng harvest guys. Oh, ito na yung hinarvest niya guys. Oh, dami. Oh, mahal kasi niyan guys sa palengke, 6-10. Ayan, kaya nang harvest yung mama guys. Guys, ang dami guys. Ayan guys. Oh, harvest yung mama guys. Oh, iba talaga guys. May tanim guys, no? May aanihin guys. Ayan guys. Ayan. Dami niya nang inaani guys. Ayan guys, no? Dami niya inaani guys. Ayan, pa more. Okrahan niya guys, okra. Puno na yung kamay ko. Oh, guys, dami guys. Oh. Ay, po ka mo nagkalaglag na guys. Dalang guys. Ang dami guys. Oh. Tama guys. Oh. Yan. Marami na yung ilang magkano na yan guys. Ay, nagkalaglag na guys. Ayan pa guys. Oh. Ayan guys. Ito, patulang tunay. Ito naman patulang may palikpik. Yan, patulang may palikpik eh. Ayan. Diba? Dami nating harvest ngayon guys. Salamat guys.